Hey guys, there's a lot of new cool tech to show you, so there's a couple things for quality shooting and streaming, and something multifunctional on the list. Oh, and do you like to play cards? All links to the products you'll find in the description below. Everyone these days needs a quality webcam, so here's a perfect solution for streaming, learning, and work. You get a 2K quality image at 60 frames per second, plus the 90-degree angle makes sure all team members stay clearly visible. Don't worry about lighting. The cam uses automatic low light correction and HDR. As for the sound, you're free to connect any earbuds or other peripherals via Bluetooth or simply use the built-in microphone. The mounting bracket fits any laptop or PC monitor. It's 360 degrees rotatable, and you can tilt it up or down to get the right angle. And if you have a separate tripod, that'll do as well. The cam comes with a 5-foot USB cable. Just plug in and have fun. For those who are worried about privacy, there's a special physical cover. Big Brother won't see anything. Okay guys, we found it. The ultimate bike helmet. The one that's stylish, comfy, and really functional at the same time. First of all, it addresses low visibility using a whole lot of bright LEDs, both on the front and rear sides. Rear LEDs are actually hidden under the fabric liner, which looks really sleek. But most importantly, this panel provides you with an automatic brake light along with your turn signals. There's an included remote control that mounts on your handlebar and lets you quickly choose the turn direction. In addition, the helmet is able to detect falls and automatically send a SOS message to help you out. What makes this thing even smarter is the dedicated mobile app. Use it to customize your lights, track your fitness activity, or check the battery status. You'll probably get up to 10 hours on one charge. The helmet also stands out with a sturdy, waterproof construction and thought-through ventilation system. The magnetic buckle must be handy as well. There are 3 sizes and 4 different colors to choose from. Are you ready to conquer the sea? Well, at least a pool or lake. This little boat will impress you with its huge power. Featuring a brushless motor with automatic water cooling, the boat goes up to 30 miles per hour. You're going to win every race. Naturally, the remote control is included in the package. Simply install the batteries, connect the remote, and you're ready to sail out. The boat will last up to 6 minutes on one charge and can be used within a 500-foot range. But don't worry, the transmitter will notify you with a sound alarm in case of low battery or poor connectivity. The auto correction feature will help you control the boat with ease, plus this boat stands out with a self-righting hull that protects it from capsizing. The whole thing is tightly sealed and completely waterproof, as you'd expect. This unusual ice cube tray will help you out on hot summer days. It's so functional and easy to use. After you fill it with water and freeze it, you just need to break the ice, then pull the handles on both sides and shake it. Now you can serve the ice without touching the cubes. It's both convenient and healthy as well. The cap protects the ice from bacteria and bad odors from your freezer. It's also 100% watertight, so you can store it in any position to save space, or put it in a bag and bring it to a picnic. The ice won't melt for hours, and it's super easy to clean. Just disassemble the device and put it in a dishwasher. Now you can enjoy your favorite iced drinks anywhere. We've already seen a cool boat, and now it's time for a helicopter. The first thing you'll notice is how tiny it is. Yet it'll be fun to play with. No boring preparations, just grab the remote control and take off with the push of a button. Landing works the same way. You can even turn on the automatic hover mode. The helicopter will hold at a certain altitude completely on its own, and there's an emergency button that'll stop this thing immediately, just in case. The copter is ready to fly within a 30-foot range. Moving freely in any direction, the internal battery should last slightly over 5 minutes and can be charged fully in just half an hour. Made of high-quality anti-corrosion alloy, the copter is really sturdy. Whether you do snowboarding or wingsuiting, this action camera will help you share your best moments with others. The variety of mounting accessories allows securing the cam wherever you want. Thanks to the aerodynamic design, this thing won't affect your performance. And most importantly, it provides you with crystal clear 4K footage at up to 120 frames per second. The image is smoothly stabilized. There's a built-in screen right on the cam that lets you play back your videos and cut them straight away. And for the advanced settings, there's a powerful mobile app. Here you can set all the parameters and switch between different modes like time-lapse, loop, and low light. Up to 4 custom modes can be pinned for quick access. You can start recording with just a push of a button or with a single gesture if needed. Naturally, this thing is waterproof and quite sturdy. And with the optional case, you'll be able to shoot up to 165 feet underwater. Do you like seafood? Take a look at this Shellfish cracker then. It lets you crack hard shells without any effort, yet it's gentle enough not to damage the meat inside. It works perfectly for lobsters, stone crabs, and other hard shellfish. The tool is made of stainless steel, which makes it solid and durable. And it's easy to clean, since it's dishwasher safe. Yes, you can easily disassemble it into 3 flat pieces. This way it'll barely take up any space in your kitchen. So simple, yet functional. And here's an extremely handy electric pump that's suited for various types of wheels. So first, this thing is super compact and easy to use. It gets up to 150 psi and can be also indicated in bars. In addition, you can switch between various modes depending on the type of your vehicle, bike, car, or motorbike. The inflator comes with a bunch of nozzles that are neatly stored in the included carrying bag. This thing is powerful enough to inflate a road bike tire in less than 3 minutes. It stops automatically when the preset pressure is reached. On top of that, it has a built-in LED flashlight that must be really useful at night. The pump is powered with a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery that should give you about 8 tires per charge. It charges with a regular micro USB, and there's a little LED light that indicates the battery status. Have you ever seen the magnets that tell you the time? Check out these really unusual watches. Although the models are slightly different, they all use the same magnetic technology. 2 little balls move across the dial, replacing the regular hour and minute hands. That means you can actually feel the time. When you can't see the dial, simply touch it. If you shake your hand, the bearings might slip away, but don't worry, they'll snap back into place and continue showing the accurate time. There are a whole lot of cases and straps to choose from, suited both for men and women. The strap size is easily adjustable to almost any hand size. Cool. A comfortable chair isn't necessarily big and heavy. This camping chair, for instance, is the size of a drink bottle. When you're ready to sit back and relax, the chair unfolds in just a few seconds. Simply push the button and extend the legs. Thanks to its lightweight yet durable construction, the chair suits virtually any outdoor activity. It combines aircraft-grade aluminum with the ultra-tough ballistic nylon. Despite the size, this thing can actually handle up to 300 pounds. The special rubber tips on the legs make sure your seat is perfectly stable on any terrain. And since you're probably going to spend time with friends, you might get a set of 4 or 6 chairs. There's a special bag to carry them all. Now, you probably have some playing cards, but they're nowhere as cool as these. We have a bunch of different decks to show you. The only difference is the pattern. The entire set is inspired by Greek mythology. Choose between Apollo's arrow and Athena's shield, the sword of Titan or the trident of Poseidon. Each deck has its own distinctive color, and of course you'll see the Olympian gods instead of the regular kings, jacks, and queens. The cards look great, and the box is no less exquisite. It uses a magnetic locking mechanism and beautifully unfolds, revealing multiple sections, almost like an antique hand fan. This design requires delicate handwork, laser cutting, and engraving. Although this fancy box is only included in the deluxe edition, the classic version is a bit more simple. And if you're not a huge fan of ancient mythology, maybe you'll prefer the modern hero. The Iron Man deck looks incredibly authentic, with the Mark suit pattern and Avengers logo on it. But the coolest part is hidden inside. The famous reactor lights up when you open the box. Even the gods didn't have this. And last but definitely not least, we have this really cool headphone stand. This handmade wood design will perfectly suit any interior, and the curved head-like shape holds the headphones firmly in place. The coolest part, though, is the LED light panel that supports a variety of different colors. So this stand actually doubles as a night lamp. You can easily switch colors and adjust the brightness using the included remote control, or turn on the auto mode and watch the whole palette flow on its own. Also, the stand is actually able to react to sounds and change the colors. Just plug it into the outlet.